So, you got a new paddleboard? Now what? Here are 7 ideas on how to make the most of your paddleboard for beginners. Number 1. Research the many different paddleboarding environments in your local area. These can include places such as oceans, rivers, lakes, bays, lagoons, canals, and around islands. Use a map to discover places that you may not know about or have overlooked. What waterways are near you? Number 2. Take your board on weekend getaways or on your annual holiday. Do you have a favourite place you like to get away to? What are the areas of water nearby? This is generally easier if you're travelling by car, but you can also take your paddleboard on a plane in the checked baggage. Check with your airline for baggage limitations. While you're on holiday, join one of the many paddleboard tour companies who have locals to show you the best your holiday location has to offer. Number 3. Explore the different types of paddleboarding on offer. For a Zen approach, try SUP Yoga. Find a class or join our 14-day SUP Yoga challenge at sup-chick.com. For an active outing, join a local SUP group or community on social media. Or better still, take your SUP pup along. If you're more competitive, try entering into SUP races and endurance events. If you enjoy exploring, try a skill session or some paddleboarding lessons. For a more practical experience, take your paddleboard on a SUP camping or fishing trip. For the adrenaline junkie, have a go at SUP surfing. Number 4. Make a SUP-it list. This is a list of all the places you'd like to paddle someday. Click the link up here for how to and visit sup-chick.com for a free downloadable customizable list. Number 5. Learn more. With our YouTube video playlist, click the link up here for more. Number 6. Find inspiration. With our location videos, click here for more. Number 7. Discover equipment with our road test series. Click here for more. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, please support us by liking, subscribing, clicking notification and sharing with your paddleboarding mates. While you're here, check out some of these other videos. See you next time.